Wait, before you upload your next video, hear me out. I'm starting my own YouTube journey from zero, and I want to show you everything I'm testing to reach my first 1,000 subscribers without asking my friends, even my family members, to subscribe to my YouTube channel or watch my videos. I know how it feels to start a channel with no subscribers, no views, and no one watching. That is where I am right now, but instead of guessing, I have decided to test different strategies, how algorithm works, the kind of titles and thumbnails people actually clicks, and how to actually keep people watching. Are you trying to grow your YouTube channel without spending money on ads? Then this video is for you. The most interesting part is you are not alone in this. I'm here with you, and I'm starting with you in this journey too. These are the same method top creators use to grow fast on YouTube. By the end of this video, you will know the clear steps to hit your first 1,000 subscribers without running ad or paying money. My name is David, and I'm not here to pretend I've made it. I've not made it though. I've not made it. I'm here to document the process, to learn, apply, and share what works in real time. Think of this channel as a lab where I test the strategies and you get the real-time result without wasting time. I have organized this tutorial into 5 easy steps to make it very simple. Step 1, master the first 10 seconds. Step 2, create videos around demands. Step 3, titles and thumbnails. Step 4, be consistent and learn fast. Step 5, build a community. Step 1, your first 10 seconds really matters. Here is the truth. YouTube pushes video that people actually watch. That is called audience retention, and it starts with the first 10 seconds. If viewers clicks away too fast, game over. That is why you need a hook. Ask questions, drop a bold statement, say something that makes people to stay and watch your videos. That is the best way to retain your audience. Say something that will make people to watch your video longer. In that process, algorithm will recommend your video to more people, because the smaller people it has already shared your video with, they are interested in your video and they are watching much longer. That is exactly what I tried at the beginning of this video. Step 2, create videos around demands. Look for what is already trending in your niche. Then create your own videos in your own style. Look for what people are already searching on YouTube. Some of the best topics to start with are things people are already searching for. There is already demand for your video. That way, you are not just making a video inside an empty room. You are actually creating something that people are already searching for. Don't guess. Don't just post random videos on YouTube and expect algorithm to take it off. Step 3, your titles and your thumbnails. These are the most 2 important things about your video. Listen, your title and your thumbnail are the reason why someone clicks on your video or pass your video. Keep it short, make it bold so they will pop. Most importantly, add curiosity. Instead of saying tips for YouTube growth, say how to get 3,000 subscribers fast in 3 days, no ads. Can you now see the difference between these 2 titles? Step 4, be consistent and learn fast. Look, I know your first video won't probably blow up, but here is the good part. Every video you post gives you data. Analytics will show you where people are watching your videos from, where people stop watching your video, and which thumbnail actually gets clicks, and which topic people actually loves. That is how to grow faster, not by guessing, but by studying the results that allow you to improve in your next video. Step 5, build your community. Subscribers are not just numbers, they are human beings, so you have to treat them like they are different people watching you from different regions. So you have to actually treat them like human beings, because they are watching your content, they are watching your video. You have to improve, interact, engage with them, reply their comments, entertain them. That is the best way to retain your audience. When people feel connected, they don't watch once, they stick, they come back to check again. Yes, that is the roadmap I'm following to build this channel. No shortcut, no ads, just real-time strategy. If you are starting your new channel, then we are in this together. I will keep on sharing what I've learned so far, so you don't have to figure it out all by yourself. Subscribe to this channel so that you will be the first to see my next video, because the next video could be the one that helps you break through. Now, let me ask you, what is your biggest challenge on YouTube? Drop it in the comment section. I will reply.